I'm very happy you are tuned to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. Many are just say, "Utie unu Opoku nsuya twi dwumadie." At the end of this lesson, you are expected to know these conjunctions in twi, and that is before, especially, in fact, let alone, and so. But before we start, I'm going to tell you a story about how I started this channel. And out of that story, we're going to learn some conjunctions from that. And the story goes like this. Before starting this channel, I knew nothing about tutorial videos, especially graphics. In fact, I knew nothing about video editing, let alone graphics. So I started searching on YouTube for information. Well, let's end the story here and continue it later on. But let's look at the conjunctions in this story. What are the conjunctions? We have before, especially, in fact, let alone, and then so. So. Good. How do we say these conjunctions in twi? Well, let's start statement by statement or sentence by sentence. In the first sentence, the writer said, or I said, before starting this channel. Before starting this channel. In twi, how would I say before? I would say Ansa. So with the sentence, before starting this channel, I would say Ansa na mesha channel yi aseno. Ansa na mesha channel yi aseno. Before starting this channel. So when we say Ansa, it means before. Before. Ansana. Ansana. Before. Before. Good. Let's go to the next conjunction. The writer goes on to say, I knew nothing about tutorial videos, especially graphics. Especially. Especially. How do we say especially in twi? In twi, we will say Ɛnkanka. 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 That is especially. I knew nothing about tutorial videos. Ɛnkanka graphics. Ɛnkanka graphics. I knew nothing about tutorial videos. Ɛnkanka graphics. That is, in twi, we will say, na minim hwe fa sini a yɛde kyerɛkyerɛ ɛho. Na minim hwe fa sini a yɛde kyerɛkyerɛ ho. Ɛnkanka atwerɛdeɛ na yɛma ne ba mu no. Atwerɛdeɛ na yɛma ne ba mu no. That is the graphics. Atwerɛdeɛ a ɛba video mu no. Video in twi, we could say sini or akasamphonini. Mfonini means what? Picture or pictures. The plural and singular, they are the same. So a picture or pictures, that is what? Mfonini. Good. And we say akasamphonini, meaning pictures that are talking or talking pictures. Akasamphonini. That is what we call video. Akasamphonini. And we can also call it what? Sini. Good. So, ansa na me beshe program yase no. Na me nim hwe fa sini a wode kyerɛkyerɛ ho. Na me nim hwe fa sini a wode kyerɛkyerɛ ho. Ɛnkanka ntwerɛ a wode ba sini no mu no. Graphics. Ɛnkanka ntwerɛ a wode ba sini no mu no. Graphics no. Na me nim ho hwe. I knew nothing about tutorial videos. Ɛnkanka atwerɛ na wode ba sini no mu no. Especially. The third conjunction can be found in the statement, in fact, I did not know video editing. In fact, I did not know video editing. In fact, in twi we say Nokorɛm. 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 I did not know video editing. Nokorɛm, I did not know video editing. And that is Nokorɛm, na minim sɛ deɛ ɔhyehyɛ sini. Nokorɛm, na minim sɛ deɛ ɔhyehyɛ sini. Sini is what? Video. Or we can also say akasamphonini. that is also means what? Video. Mfonini is picture. And when we say akasamphonini, kasa is what? Talking or speech. So we refer to video as what? Pictures that are talking. And in Twi we say akasamphonini. We also use akasamphonini afidie for television. Afidie is what? Machine. Good. So the television is akasamphonini afidie. Akasamphonini afidie. Talking pictures machine, something of that sort. Good. So we can say akasamphonini or sini for video. Good. So I am saying, in fact, I did not know video editing. Nokorɛm na minim sɛ deɛ wɔhyehyɛ sini. Nokorɛm na minim sɛ deɛ wɔhyehyɛ sini. I did not know video editing. Good. That is what? In fact, nokorɛm. Nokorɛm, some people can also say Anokwa. Anokwa, and that is what? In fact. And we can use Anokwa or nokorɛm for honestly or truly. So when we say Anokwa or when we say nokorɛm, it means in fact, honestly, and what? Truly. So any of them you can use nokorɛm for it. So that is the third conjunction. The fourth conjunction, we can get it from the statement, I did not know video editing, let alone graphics. Let alone. Let alone. How are we going to say let alone in Twi? In Twi we will say Kampɛsɛ. 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 I knew nothing about video editing. Kampɛsɛ. Graphics. I knew nothing about video editing. Kampɛsɛ graphics. I knew nothing about video editing, let alone graphics. Let alone Kampɛsɛ. 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 So when we want to say let alone, then we say Kampɛsɛ. Kampɛsɛ. Good. The last but not the least amongst the conjunctions is what? So. Let's consider the next statement. In the next statement, the writer said, so I started searching on YouTube for information. So, in Twi we will say Enti, 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 and that is what? So, Enti. With the statement, so I started searching on YouTube. In Twi we will say Enti mehyɛaseɛ sɛ mehwehwɛ YouTube so. Enti mehyɛaseɛ sɛ mehwehwɛ YouTube so. Enti. Good. So now you know when we say Ansa, it means what? Before. Ansa, before. And when we say Ɛnkanka, then it means what? Especially. Especially. Good. This is where I will end this lesson here, and the rest of the story will be found in the next episode. So stay tuned. But then, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be glad if you can subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Share, like, pass out your comments. Thanks for watching.